I've been working on the VTI a lot the last few weeks and I've made some more progress, as you'll see in this video. The fuel tank was in good condition and even came with an upgraded Walbro pump, but it still needed a refresh to match the rest of the car. The straps and hooks were also treated and everything turned out great. I purchased a new gold ASR brace and the sway bar with a Beaks tie bar. The genuine ASR parts are very high quality and fitment is perfect. I'm really happy with the way it all looks. The gold next to the silver works and adds a nice touch of colour and contrast to the rear end. Pink anodised collars and the MCA Pro Streets is also a nice touch and pops in the black wheel arches. Blue Hardrace camber arms also sit well in the space. They'll come in handy when it's time to tuck in the 16 by 8 inch rims. They're due to be fitted at the end of the build. I also installed a new brake booster and master cylinder with a new Honda gasket. Everything buttoned up nicely to the new Honda proportioning valve and it sits well in the engine bay. Here's a quick shot of some fresh parts for the car. A new billet aluminium fuel filter that has a removable and washable filter, the freshly powder coated bracket and the tie bar for the front subframe. I'll be installing the fuel filter when the engine is due to go in. The front suspension was given a full refresh, including new Honda wheel bearings and hubs, plus new Honda brake splash guards. I also sourced new Hardrace extended ball joints new Honda hardware. The shock absorber forks were also treated. Now they look like brand new parts. The MCA Pro Streets are high quality bits of kit. The build quality is clear to see. I installed new Whiteline bushes for the endlinks and gave the metal parts a coat with rust guard for protection and longevity. The install was smooth and everything buttoned up as it should. Super happy with how clean it all looks under the black wheel arches. In the next video, I'll be installing new sound deadening and insulation for the internal side of the firewall and installing the main wire loom and the Hardrace equipped ECU. I'll be installing the EG6 automatic climate control and AC, the freshly powder coated pedals and the refreshed steering column. The sunroof and headliner will also be going in. Then I'll be hooking up a new AC Delco battery to test all the wiring and make sure all the electrics are working perfectly. There's lots to do and lots to film, but I'm starting to see some real progress after months of restoration work and parts sourcing. See you in the next video.